Hi, guys, and welcome to Press the Button. This is the
Hi.
second time we're having to record this today
Someone's a
because
numpty.
we already did it and I forgot to press record. So that was
That's
great. So here we
that's
go
because you're a
again.
numpty.
5 minutes.
Right. Right. Okay, you're starting the bell, whatever it is.
Starting, we're recording,
Cool.
it's all good. How are you, Johnny? Good
Uh,
morning.
yeah, good afternoon.
Sorry
For
to
the
make you do
second
this
time.
again.
Yes.
Tell
Yeah,
me
let's
about what's
start
on your
again.
desk.
Yeah, okay. So today it's about gators. Because you know that, don't you? It's all about gators. So anyway, so I've got some gators on my desk. So here is a gator. And that, you know what, and you can tell me what that gator's off now, can't you?
It's made of EDPM or EPDM.
EPDM.
EPDM, and I'm not going to
EPDM.
remember what that means, so off
No,
you
no,
go
no.
again.
No, it's an ethylene polypropylene DN monomer compound, which is a synthetic rubber. Basically, this little baby is the rear shock absorber gator for Anage and Seraph and Azure and Brooklyn's Coupe series. And basically, what happens is you can't buy this gator separately. We couldn't. They are getting old because the original ones were made from a thermoplastic, and this is a thermoplastic gator here off a steering rack. Thermoplastics are great because they're cheap, but
Hmm.
they can break down, and you get a lot of repetitive movement. So that's why it's better to make it from an EPDM, which is what we did, and it means that you don't have to replace your damper when your gator breaks, which it will do because
Okay.
they all do. So anyway, gators are expensive to tool. This cost a lot of money to make actually, and there wasn't really a decent product out there to replace this. So the reason they're difficult is the reason this one's difficult is it's actually made of two different pieces of rubber.
Hmm.
So basically, the way this works is it's got clips on the top and the bottom, and that keeps it obviously clamps it, but it has to be doing this all the time as the shock absorber moves. And under here, you've actually got vent holes for the air so that it can breathe, so that it
Let's see
doesn't
them.
obviously blow up. Can you get in? Can you see that
Yeah,
there?
just
You
about.
just see
Turn it
there's
towards me a
six
little bit.
vent holes. So obviously that had to have that in there. It's made of two compounds. So we have this umbrella section which sits on the car back like this, and what that does, that umbrella section
Hmm.
stops water and dirt getting in through those holes, those vent holes. That makes it expensive because it had to be made in two pieces, then bonded together. Gators themselves, high quality gators, are expensive to tool anyway,
Hmm.
because basically what you've got to make sure when you're making a gator to make sure it lasts long is you've got to make sure the wall thickness is even everywhere.
Hmm.
Because if you get thin spots or thick spots, well, thin spots, then that's where it will split.
Okay.
So we spend a lot of time getting that right, and you have to spend money on the tool to make sure that the male part of the tool and the female part of the tool, which go together, are perfectly aligned. That's how it works. So expensive to make, but that saves you a lot of money on your shock absorbers. So
Okay.
yeah,
And they're
so
ready
that's
now? Available
they're
now?
ready now. They're ready
Awesome.
now. So yeah, they're
Fantastic.
in stock.
Well
And
done. And that
we
took
have
how
another.
long to make?
Well, it's probably been 18 months since we started it, but actually 6 months since we found the right supplier.
Okay.
Really, it was about it's quite a difficult gator to make because of all the reasons I've just said. So you've just got to be careful about who you use, and you've got to be prepared to invest some time and money. Basically, that's it.
Okay.
And I've got another gator.
Okay.
That's it. That's
That's
yeah. I
smaller.
kind of yeah. It is. That's so obviously cheaper because it's smaller. So that's an accelerator pedal gator, which hasn't been available forever. I didn't realize this, and it's fitted to literally from silver clouds all the way through to Continental R's, Turbo R's. It's on every single accelerator pedal for about 40 years, and Rolls-Royce and Bentley hasn't been available, but we've done it.
But
So
what did
yeah,
people do if they didn't have one of those till
I
now?
don't. I don't know. I suppose they either just did without, or they just used something that they could fit in the gap that would
Like a
kind of do the
sock.
job. A sock. A sock. Yes. Yes. So what are you going
Okay.
to ask me now? You're going to ask me something else now.
Yes, okay, sorry, we haven't got much time left. What are you doing this weekend? Or what else is on your
Um,
desk? Sorry, is there anything else on your
that's what you've
desk?
got to ask me. What
Sorry.
else is on my desk? Is this a broken mirror?
I hope you're gonna fix that.
No, no, no. What? This is a sample mirror. So we've been doing a range of mirrors for. Well, we're actually doing quite a large range of mirrors, but we've done replacement mirror glasses for the Anage and Seraph series, but the Anage Red Label and Limon and some of the other ones, some of the Power Fold mirrors, I think the Lake Green labels had them, and Seraphs. They had. Right, I've got to finish. I can't finish. I can't leave people.
5 more sentences.
Right. So they came with a bezel. So now we're working on the bezel. We're now making it. We're working on having a mirror available which will have a bezel on it. This sample was being fitted to the car to make sure it worked, and my colleague dropped it, which is why it's broken. But and the other interesting thing is Bentley never did this, but we're going to do a bright chrome version, just because we can, and it'll be nice. So that's what's on my desk.
I will see you soon, Johnny. Thank you for that.
Yes. All right.
Have a lovely weekend.
Yes, you too. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.